Yes, hello everyone. Welcome back into this video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you the 5 scholarships that can give you 100% scholarship to be studying in the United States. So you can be deciding to apply in the given kind of scholarship. What you need is the information about the kind of scholarship you need to be applying. If you did not subscribe to this channel TV, subscribe today, like this video, share this with your friends. If you have any comment or suggestion, remember to leave it in a comment section. Without wasting time, let's get started. So those scholarship, on the first place there is the one which is called Herbert Humphrey Fellowship. If you go to your Google and search for Herbert Humphrey Fellowship, you can see you are going to be seeing this kind of scholarship which is going to be popping up, and this one is the one you can choose to be applying. So this is Herbert Humphrey Scholarship. For instance, if you type Herbert Humphrey Scholarship, you can see they are showing the ones for 2024, which means you can be able to see this one. As you can see, it is also showing to different embassy of the United States, which means you can be able to apply for it. So on the official platform, this is the one, and if you click there, you can see there's a platform which is showing you how to apply, eligibility criteria. All the information are available on the platform, and you will be able to check whether we're eligible and in the country which is eligible and other requirements. So let's go to the second one. The second one that you can choose to apply is also to Stanford University Scholarship. If you type Stanford University Scholarship in your browser, you are going to be to see this one. This is the official platform. You can get the information. For also, when you get this link, you need to be clicking on this platform and open it. After opening this platform, you are going to be direct to the platform itself. And for instance, here, if I click on this, you are going to see that also the platform is here. So here you can see, if you click on this link, for instance, view index of scholarship opportunities, you are going to be seeing different kind of scholarship opportunities that you can be applying. Here, for instance, you can see America, India Foundation, AIF, Iron Impact Fellowship. Here are a lot of kind of opportunities you can be also deciding to apply. Also, it's up to you to explore and see the one you can be deciding to apply with. So the next one is also AAUW International Scholarship, so fellowship. Now what you need to do is to type AAU International Fellowship. So you can see this is the one is also trending. So now this is the official platform. You can see now, if I click on this platform, you are going to see that there are current opportunities they are showing. There are also fellowships and the guarantee information on the platform. And once you are also already on the platform, that is where you can be able to explore. You can see these are funding of 20 USD 251 every year. It's open August 1 every year, and it's closed November 15th every year. So international fellowships, it's now they are also describing the information of how to get started. So now you can see timeline, it's August 1 2023 to now. This is the one which is also the last. So you can see, you will be able to see the eligibility criteria, you will be able to see the timeline, you will be able to see the required components, star background, proposal, recommendations and documents review. You'll be able to see the regulations, education expenses, living expenses, dependent childcare, purchase of equipment, indirect costs, research assistance. You will be able to see different details about the scholarship, application cost, institutional. Now can be able to see different details around the scholarship provision, or around the scholarship details they will be providing to you, including those which will be requiring money, and also how the scholarship will be covering those requirements. So the last one I have prepared for you today is called Fulbright scholarship. Maybe you know this scholarship. Also, this scholarship is one from US, and you can see you need to be checking whether you are allowed or eligible. So what you need to do, you need to click on this link, US for scholarship, US Fulbright online.org, and see also if you have the information about the application process. Maybe you can get them here. So you can see now the application is now open. Competition is now open. Application must be submitted by national deadline of October 8, 2024. So now what does it mean? Here that means the scholarship deadline is different by the countries, and also you need to check the deadline of the scholarship in your country, and also be able to make sure that you are not going to be missing the opportunities. It all depends. Here you can see there is application which is open now. Get started by also 2025-2026 cycle. The 2024-2025 is already closed, which means now they are on this phase. Also, you need to check which one do you want to apply and ensure that you have the correct information. So what I can say is that Fulbright scholarship or Fulbright program also is available in the some countries. You need to be here and check in the country you are from and see if your country is eligible for this program. For instance, if I click on this East Asia Pacific, you can see the countries which are included or which are allowed to the program. If I click Europe and Asia, also you are going to see the countries here. Also, if I click on the South, Middle East and North Africa, you are going to see the countries here which also are allowed for this scholarship. If I click on the South and Central Asia, you can see also the countries which are included. Here you are going to be also checking the countries which also are made in this program. Ensure that also to be able to have the information of either you will be getting in touch with the information, or you will be getting in touch with the required details regarding the scholarship application, including the date, including other information that might be required for you to successfully submit the application. Thank you for watching this video. This is how you can be also navigating through all these 5 scholarships. If you want to be further navigating into those scholarships, you need to be also going to the links as I have been showing you, going to the platforms directly and also explore more information, so that you can be following up all the key information and go ahead on start apply with. Also, if you are allowed to be applying in that time frame, or if the scholarship opportunity is open in that frame. Remember to stay updated so that you can be able to apply whenever you want to apply for this or any opportunity among this. Remember to subscribe, like this video. If you have any suggestion or comment, remember to leave it in the comment section, and also remember to turn notification bell so as you always get notified when we upload new video here at Now Max TV.